I don't think people understand how impactful credit repair can be until they experience it firsthand.
Hello, my name is Vijayakanthan. I recently used Australian Credit Solutions credit repair service, and let me tell you, I'm extremely pleased with the results. Right from the start, Anjali was amazing. She explained the entire process so clearly, I felt confident and understood every step. And Jemima? She was a gem, always eager to update me on my file and answer all my questions promptly. Their diligent efforts paid off. They managed to remove major negative invalid listings from my credit file. It was such a relief. Thanks to Australian Credit Solutions, I can finally breathe easy. If you're feeling financially stressed, I highly recommend their services. They truly have the expertise and dedication to make a difference. So, why wait? Experience the positive change just like I did. Reach out to Australian Credit Solutions today. You'll be glad you did.